episode, we have something special for all the car enthusiasts out there. We'll be reviewing the highly anticipated 2024 BMW M2. So strap yourselves in, because this is going to be a thrilling ride. Let's dive right in. Before we get into the specifics, let's talk about the overall design and appearance of this beautiful machine. The 2024 BMW M2 boasts a sleek and muscular exterior, with bold lines and aggressive styling that sets it apart from its competitors. With its distinctive kidney grills, large air intakes, and signature M badges, there's no doubt that this car means business. Stepping inside, you'll find a well-crafted and driver-centric cockpit. The M2 combines luxurious comfort with a sporty aesthetic, featuring premium leather upholstery, customizable ambient lighting, and high-quality materials throughout. The ergonomics are spot-on, ensuring that every control is within reach for an intuitive and immersive driving experience. Now let's talk about the performance of the 2024 BMW M2. Under the hood, you'll find a 3.0-liter inline-six engine, turbocharged to deliver an impressive 450 horsepower. This powerhouse is paired with a smooth-shifting 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, providing lightning-fast gear changes. With all that power at your disposal, the M2 accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4 seconds, offering an exhilarating ride that will leave you wanting more. On the track, the M2 truly shines. The precision-tuned suspension, responsive steering, and excellent handling make it a joy to drive. This car is built for pure driving enthusiasts, providing a thrilling experience that keeps you connected to the road at all times. Whether you're attacking corners or enjoying a high-speed straight, the M2 delivers performance that surpasses expectations. Now, let's talk about the market price. The 2024 BMW M2 starts at around $60,000, and with various optional add-ons and packages, the price can go up. It's important to do your research and select the options that align with your preferences and needs. So, where does the 2024 BMW M2 stand among its rivals? Well, it surely holds its ground. In terms of performance and driving dynamics, it's frequently rated as one of the top choices in its class. The M2's combination of power, agility, and BMW's renowned engineering make it a force to be reckoned with in the market. As we wrap up, let's not forget to mention the attention to detail BMW has put into this car. From the advanced technology and driver assistance features to the impressive fuel efficiency considering the power output, the 2024 BMW M2 has a lot to offer. If you're seeking a true driving experience that merges luxury and excitement, this car might just be the perfect fit. That's all for today's review of the 2024 BMW M2. We hope you enjoyed this in-depth look at this incredible machine. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more car reviews and exciting content. Drive safe and stay tuned for our next adventure. Take care!